This video we are going to learn how to write the electronic configuration of an atom. As you all know, electronic configuration is the basis of learning chemistry. So let us start how to write the electronic configuration of an atom. Here, for writing the electronic configuration of an atom, you require three things. The first and foremost thing which you require is atomic number. If you know the atomic number of an atom, you can write the electronic configuration. The first thing you should know is atomic number. The second thing is Abwas principle. This principle is required why? Because it gives you the order in which the electrons should be distributed among the orbitals. The third thing which you should require is the number of electrons that can accommodate in each orbital. As you all know, we have four types of orbitals: s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. Each orbital can accommodate a specific number of electrons. Here, let us start from the atomic number. You know, in the last video we have discussed about the atomic number, that every atom has a specific atomic number. Like the hydrogen has atomic number 1, helium has atomic number 2, carbon has atomic number 6, nitrogen has atomic number 7, oxygen 8. Likewise, these are some of the elements which have their atomic number. Now let us see the second thing which you should know is Abwas principle. Here we have written the order of Abwas principle. Abwas principle is the principle which gives you the order in which the electrons are distributed in the orbitals. Here, this order is based on the energy of the orbital. 1s orbital, 2s orbital, this is the increasing order of energies of orbital. You should know that 1s has less energy when compared to that of 2s. 2s has less energy compared to 2p. Likewise, if you see here comes 4s. After entering into the 4s, the electrons enter into the 3d orbital. Here, in specific, you should know this, that the electron enters into 4s orbital first, then comes 3d orbital. The reason for this one is 3d orbital have more energy when compared to that of the 4s orbital. You should know that as the energy increases, the stability of the orbital decreases. So this is the order of as per the Abwas principle. The third thing which we have to know is the number of electrons accommodating in each orbital. Here we have written the orbitals and the maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in that orbital. S orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons, whereas p orbital can accommodate a maximum of 6 electrons. D orbital can accommodate a maximum of 10 electrons. F orbital can accommodate a maximum of 14 electrons. Now let us try to practice how to write the electronic configuration of an atom. Let us take the example first. Hydrogen atom. You know the atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1. And the number of electrons in hydrogen atom is also 1. As you know from the definition for atomic number is the number of electrons or the number of protons present in a neutral atom. So here the atomic number is 1, so the number of electrons will also be 1. So let us write the electronic configuration for hydrogen atom. As per the Abwas principle, the electron first enter into 1s orbital. Here we have written 1s, and then it has only 1 electron, so 1 electron can be accommodated in s orbital itself. So it is 1. Always remember the electrons should be written in the form of superscript while writing the electronic configuration. Let us take one more example. Boron. Boron has the atomic number 5. And you know, if the atomic number is 5, the number of electrons will also be 5. Now let us distribute these 5 electrons into these orbitals in this order. 1s, 2, here s orbital, 1s orbital is completed. Then the electron enters into 2s, 2. Why? Because we have 5 electrons. Out of 5 electrons, we have given 2 electrons to this one, 2 electrons to 2s orbital. The remaining 1 electron enter into the next coming orbital, that is 2p orbital. This is the electronic configuration of boron. Always remember, while writing the electronic configuration, you should not distribute the number of electrons more than the atomic number. Now let us take one more example in which the electron enters into d orbital. Let us take the example of scandium. You know the scandium has the atomic number 21. If it is having atomic number 21, then ultimately it has 21 number of electrons. Now distribute these 21 electrons into orbitals in this order. If you distribute this 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6. Up to here you have completed 10 electrons. Then after 2p, the electron enter into 3s. 3s2, 3p, 6. Up to here 8 electrons. So it is 10 plus 8, 18 electrons. Then after 3p, the electron enter into 4s. Now count the number of electrons from here to here. It is 10 electrons plus 8 electrons plus 2 electrons. Altogether, these are 20 electrons. Remaining 1 electron. Why? Because scandium has atomic number 21. So electrons 21. Up to here the electrons completed are 20. So the last electron will enter into 3d orbital. 3d1. This is how you can write the electronic configuration of different elements. Try to write the electronic configuration of different atoms and practice it so that it will be easy for you for writing the electronic configuration of atom.